that's the neat part of doing this, is that clients become friends and family. Hi, my name is Kim. I'm an agent here at ROVI Homes. I'm a mom of 5. I have 4 boys, 1 girl. I'm a farmer at heart. Had a dairy goat farm for quite a few years. I was kind of the kid who brought home animals, so I guess it's just in my blood. I remember one day coming home and the goats had gotten out of the pen. I had one escape artist pulled in and the goats were everywhere. So luckily I had border collies and they rounded them up pretty quickly, but when I joined ROVI, I had been a teacher for 26 years. And what brought me to ROVI was a good friend, Corey Turr. I was talking to him and he was telling me what a great atmosphere it was here, how much support there was, how innovative they really were with their thinking and with their trainings. And I thought I wanted to be a part of that. Real estate is about helping people. Helping clients beyond the home buying or selling process. It really means that I'm there for the clients from that point on. I like to think that I help turn houses into homes for people.